Just waiting for Mr. Hippodrones that is going to meet in a minute or two, so he should be here shortly, one hopes. We were going for a duo ride, 2 people only, 2,072 kilometers done on this Cub since the rebuild, which is just under a year ago now, I think. Yeah, not too bad. Maybe do some drone shots today. Here he comes. No, that's not him. Right, now he's shown up.
What's that?
Now he's shown up. Right, who's louder? Ram, 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 ram.
The camera won't even turn on now, and I've changed the battery.